Welcome to Localize. This video tutorial will show you how to block the display of translations on pages or subdirectories of your website. It's easy to do this right from your Localize dashboard. Navigate to your project in the dashboard. Click Settings, then click Disable Pages. We'll be working in the Disable Localize by Page panel. There are several options available to you for blocking pages. Exact Match will match only what you enter in the input field. The Starts With, Ends With, and Contains options allow even more flexibility in identifying pages or subdirectories to exclude. You can also add a regular expression for a page or subdirectory. If you don't know what regular expressions are, you can read about them in our docs, or ask your development team. You enter each exclusion separately, then click Save. Let's go to my demo site and find a page on which I don't want to display translations. Let's block translations on the fiduciary statement page. Note that the Localize widget is currently available on the page. Once we block this page, Localize will block translations and won't display the default language switching widget on the page. Let's copy the page name and then return to the Localize dashboard. Select Exact Match and paste the page name into the input field, then click Save. Let's return to our demo site and refresh the page. You'll see that the widget is now gone. We'll go to the home page and change the language with the widget. You see that the site has been translated to Spanish. Now let's go back to the fiduciary statement page. Back on the fiduciary statement page, the text is in English, our source language, and the widget isn't displayed. Let's go back to the Localize dashboard. If you have more pages or entire subdirectories that you'd also like to block, you can create a new entry for each one. That's all there is to it.